Welcome back, guys. This is Alcoholic Endeavors, and today we are going to be making the Koolaid Shot. Now, this grape liqueur is not supposed to be in this recipe. That's just, something that I want to try a little bit later to see if it might change it a little bit, because I'm curious. I'm going to actually put cranberry juice in this lovely glass because I do not trust my pouring skills. So we're gonna put a little bit in there. I don't know why I put that over there. Anyways, what you will need is an Amaretto. I'm using Disarono. I think I have Amaretto under the bar, but unfortunately, I don't feel like digging it out because I know it's way back there, and that's gonna take too long, and I'm not doing that. You'll need vodka, Midori, and cranberry juice. Pretty easy stuff. Everything is equal parts. As you know, Jesus Christ almighty. I don't pour equal parts. I'm going to try to. Midori. Disarono. And then some cranberry juice. I poured a little too much cranberry juice because I can already tell that I overdid it. Because cranberry juice is supposed to be replaced with grape juice, but I'm going to try grape liqueur because I'm curious. My body's going to hate me tomorrow. But fuck it, I guess. So this is the Koolaid Shot. Oh yeah! Let's see if it actually tastes like Kool-Aid. The aftertaste tastes like Kool-Aid. The initial taste, there's a lot of going into that. I'd recommend probably shaking it. Shaking it might be a little bit better. The aftertaste, it's pretty almost spot on the Kool-Aid. If I could have, I probably would have added just a hair bit more cranberry juice to it. But it is spot on for the aftertaste. Since I don't want to make this video fucking long, because I think most of my other videos are extremely long and I'll have to do a lot of editing, I'm just going to go ahead and make the other version that I wanted to try out, which is vodka, Midori, Disarono, and grape liqueur. Grape liqueur is probably going to be a little too strong, but I'm willing to try it. Just a little bit more vodka. Put that away. Disarono. Not sure if that's exactly equal parts. Midori.
Oh, fuck.
Spill it all over your part, because fuck you, I guess. Ah, boy. And grape liqueur. I don't know if grape liqueur and Midori will go well, but first time for everything, right? Alright, Koolaid Shot, second time around. I would choose grape juice. The concentrated version of grape pucker, which is a sweet and sour schnapps, it works to a certain extent. But I'm gonna be honest with you guys, it takes a little while for the aftertaste to kick in for a grape flavored Kool-Aid. I'd recommend probably going for something that's actually like grape juice flavored over cranberry or over grape liqueur. But that's yeah.
If you like that, go check out my other videos. We now have a Discord link down in the description. If any of you guys have a drink or shot recipe, leave it down in the comment section below. Give me a like, comment, subscribe, and I hope to see you all next time.